Welcome students, I am Anul, teacher of Foundation School, subject Physics. Today I want to discuss the topic gravity and gravitation. So first I tell what is gravity and what is gravitation. Gravitation means the attraction force between any two objects. That means you can give the example in your house, the two books, book and chair, shelf and your watch. This is gravitation. And gravity means the attraction force between earth and any other object. So one is earth, another was any one object. Suppose earth and the book. I can give the example. Suppose the earth and the moon is the gravity and sun and the moon is the gravitation. That means gravity itself a gravitation. I can tell in one sentence, all gravity is gravitation, but all gravitation are not gravity. So there is a law of Newton's law of gravitation, and it is invented by Newton. So let's see the board. I write the law of gravitation here. So I am reading the law first. Every particle in the universe attracts every other particle towards each other, and the magnitude of the force of attraction is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance. It is the statement of the law. Now I can mathematically deduct this law. Before that, I draw one picture here. There are two objects. Suppose one object is m1, mass of the object. Another one is the m2, mass of the object. And between two objects, according to the law of gravitation, there will be attraction. And the attraction force is F. And this is introduced by capital F. And the distance between two objects is D. So I can write here, there are two parts of the statement. First one is the magnitude of the force. I am underlining this. The magnitude of the attraction force is directly proportional to the square of the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance. So first part I am writing here mathematically. I am giving here number 1. Attraction force, capital F, is proportional to the product of their masses. Product means multiplication of the masses. Number 2, I am writing here, and the attraction force is inversely proportional to the square of the distance. So I am writing here inversely proportional means, that means 1 by d square. D means distance. So from 1 and 2 we can write here both are F proportional m1 into m2 and second one m2 proportional 1 by d square. So easily we can write this from 1 and 2. 1 and 2, I can write the equation to divided by d square. So from this law, I can easily read here, attraction force is the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance. So while we omit the proportional, then we have to give the proportionality constant. So I am writing here, omit the proportionality constant, I give here equal sign and I give the proportionality constant, and it is capital G, proportionality constant. So m1 m2 divided by d square. Here G is the gravitational constant, capital G, gravitational constant. Gravitational constant, and it has the specific value because it is the constant, always it will be same everywhere. So I can write the value of capital G 6.673 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kilogram square. So this is the Newton's law of formula, and it is mathematically solved. So next one, another one I will tell is there is a Newton meter square per kilogram square. How it will come? So from this equation, I can give the equation 3. from equation 3 I can write here F is equal to G m1 m2 divided by d square. By cross multiplication I can write here G m1 m2 is equal to F d square. So G is equal to F d square divided by m1 m2. So now putting the unit of this, F unit Newton, d distance meter square, and there will be two masses, so kg square. So if I simplify this, we can write here Newton meter square per kilogram square. This is the unit of gravitational constant. Thank you students. Today up to this. I hope I will come another next topic. Till then, bye.